Hello everyone, my name is Shivam. Today I'm gonna show you my hostel. So this is the main entrance of my hostel. As you can see, a semicircular thing. It's the name of my hostel, AMC Men's Hostel. Yeah. So this is the place right side where security guard sits. Like from here he'll open the door. Uh, this is the place where in night he stays. Security guard. Yeah. Let's go ahead. So this is our Dhobi place where our Dhobi Bhaiya stays, and one more place is there downside. This is the place where our mess worker stays. Mess worker, staff, all hostel staff basically stays here. Yeah. Let's go back. Yeah, you can see my friend is standing over here in white shirt. Yeah, he's waiting for me. Yeah, this fellow. This is like bike parking area. We'll park our bikes here. Yeah, there are all kind of bikes here. When we were junior, we used to ask bike from seniors, and we'll take bike and we'll roam outside. So we'll choose always good bike, like to show off in first year. That's it. Seniors are all super nice with us, so they'll give us bike. Yeah, this is our parking area. Like it extends up to another court side. Now this is the main entrance of our hostel. This one, AMC Men's Hostel. I'll try to show you the perfect view. Wait, this is our canteen. This is the ground. In that volleyball court is there, right side, and one table tennis court is also there. I think, not table tennis court, badminton court is there. Yeah, that side. And this is our AMC Men's Hostel. Let's go inside. Let's see. This is our entrance. This is basically entrance to our senior block. On the right and left side, 16 and 17 batches are there. 16 batches doing internship now. This is our notice board. Yeah, all of the important notifications about our mess bills are kept here. This is our stair. This is our stairs. This is for 17 and 16 batch. I told you. Yeah. Let's move ahead. Now these are the places right and left side where we'll keep our clothes. Like wires are there. At these places we'll hang our clothes. If you'll do it in morning, within 3 to 4 hours, uh, clothes will get dry. Yeah. And now this is the place where we usually fill our water bottles. There are two places. One is for senior block and one is for junior block backside. I'll show you there later. Now this is our block. Like this is for 18 batch and 19 batch. This is 18 block, up and down, and this is for 19 block. Yeah, this is our batch. This is warden office. Let's go to my room. Yeah, my friend is coming over here. They won't look in camera. They'll just silently go away. Yeah.
Don't be shy. You can't imagine how long I've been.
Yeah. Okay. On the left side there is our bathroom. It's not good, but I'll try to show you because it's government college, so you can't expect too much. But yeah, it's good. Water taps are there. Sink, washrooms, all these things are good. Yeah, just like superficially I'll show. Backside 16, 17 people are there on that side. Yeah, they'll also use the same washroom 16, 17. Let's go to our room. My room is 116. It's a little bit messy because I just came 2-3 days back. So let's see. But just don't judge. I'm trying to clean up. Like I'll clean up. Yeah, see, all these things are like stuffed out. Oh yeah, it looks bad, I know. I'll see. Slowly I'll clean it. My friend is also not there now. That's why I'm alone, so I'll keep things like recklessly. But I'll clean it. This is our window. From
Oh, you nasty.
This is the window. In morning, if you'll open the window, good air comes. Yeah, so in morning I'll usually open the window. From here you can see gym. I'll show you gym clearly when we'll go there. My workout is also left, so I'll show you at that time. Then we'll see. Yeah, everything is good here, like greenery so much. So in morning you feel so much good. This is the gym. I'm zooming in now. Let's go back. While going back, let's see one of our friends' room. What they are doing in the room. I think they are sleeping. Yeah, every one of them is sleeping. They are chilling basically. Okay, now let's go to stairs. We are going stairs from our block up. I'll show you how our terrace is. There are basically two terraces. Yeah, one is just above the junior block and one is just above our block. So we'll see first our block. This is again 19 batch and 18 batch block, and front side you'll see block of 16 17 batch people. Yeah, this is 16 17 batch people block front side. Let's go to terrace. So this is the terrace basically. On the coconut trees are there, so many trees are there basically. Mango trees are very much here. So but I don't think they'll get ripe because every time I came in summer here they are unripe only. But yeah, unripe also tastes good. This is our terrace basically. I'll try to show you the volleyball court also, but let's just take it fast. In evening times, most of the times in evening it's occupied, like everyone will come and they'll talk on phones, they'll play all these things. Yeah, this is our mess area. From up we can see, like not clearly but a shed. Let's see it from front. So as you can see mountains from front, you can see mountains and sea. Yeah, I'll try to show you sea, but I don't think it will be visible. Yeah, they won't be visible. One day I'll show you the beach when I'll go there with my friends, but for now just adjust with this view if it's visible. Like yeah, see, I'm zooming in, you can see beach. I don't think you can still. These are mountains and all these things. From here we can see girls hostel also. But now it's not visible, like you can't see, but yeah, I know it will be somewhere this side only. One day I'll show you girls hostel also. Not from inside because we are not allowed, but yeah, just from outside. It's near the campus only. So when our classes will resume after COVID, I'll try to show you. So this is the front. I was talking about volleyball and badminton court. This is our canteen. I don't know. They are saying usually it's open at this time, but it's not open. They are saying that our canteen worker got COVID. I'm not sure whether it's true or not. This is our canteen, but let's see. If we'll come tomorrow, we'll find out. So this is our hostel. All of the trees are grown, so I'm not able to show you the ground clearly. There are so many trees. Yeah, it's not visible. While in evening, while I'll go to play, then I'll try to show some clips of it. Yeah. See, these are all trees. They are hiding the volleyball court literally. See, this is the parking area where I was earlier. See, this is the volleyball court. It's covered by tree. See, all these are trees basically. This is mango tree. This tree we literally like breaked it. Now let's go to gym. I'll try to show you some of the clips of my workout and my friends also. I think my friend will be there in the gym now. Yeah, I think yeah he's there. He's doing bicep curls. Yeah, he's doing bicep. He'll always train biceps only. Okay, now we'll do some workout and then we'll tour the rest of the hostel. Now let's do some workout. Okay, now let's see the table tennis court. I think there also my friend might be playing. Let's go and see. So this is our table tennis court. They are playing. Let's go back. Let's see what's there on the right side. I'll try to show you my room from here. Earlier I zoomed in. Yeah, see, this is my room. So morning I'll check whether the gym is open or not from my room. This is our mess. So we'll basically keep the food. I'll try to show you first. This is the place where they'll keep food and we'll take food from here. On the left side is the place where hand wash we'll do, and this is the place where food is cooked. So let's go back. And on the right side, the place where they'll keep tea. I'll show you the place where they keep tea. This is the place where they usually keep tea, and we'll come and take tea and go to ground. Okay, now let's go to junior block. I'll try to show you the junior block. So while on the way to junior block, on the right side we have study room. I'll try to show you, and left side TV room. I'll try to show you the TV room while coming back from the junior block. Let's go. So this is our junior block. We stayed in first year here only. Upside there are interns. Actually not interns, final year, means 15 batch. Yeah, it stays here. Yeah, so this is our block. My room is somewhere here only, 2 to 2:30 I remember. Yeah, so this is the place where we used to play cricket in these areas, because at that time this is the best memory. And we used to celebrate all birthdays near the water cooler. We'll throw water, cakes on each other. We have so many good memories in this block. Yeah, someone seen is watching match from here. Yeah, so I'll try to show you. I think for now some Andhra Premier League, AMC Premier League is going on. So all of them is sitting on the, all of the batch people are sitting in the ground. They're just watching the match. I think today is the match between 16 and 17. Yeah, as I think you can see, this is the ground they are playing. I'll try to zoom in. I'll try to show you this up from up. Yeah, let's go to terrace and then I'll show you. Okay. Let's go to terrace, then I'll show you clearly. On the way also another window comes. Let's try to see from there. See, they are playing. I think 17 batch will win because they are in final year. This is our intern block. 15 batch are staying here. After that, they are very frustrated because every time exam date comes and it gets postponed. So they all are preparing for NEET PG now. That's why I don't want to disturb them. Let's go up. This is again our ground. They are playing. Sorry for repeating that, playing again and again, but yeah, okay. Okay, so this is the terrace of our junior block. I'll try to show you the ground clearly when I'll go down especially for that in afternoon, or I think in evening. Let's see. They are playing. Yeah, on these places we'll sit, these rocks, and in evening we used to come there and sit on these slabs. Sometimes we'll take tea and we'll come on terrace and we'll enjoy. These are like societies are there. From there we'll see people and we'll wave them. I don't remember anyone waving back, but
that's so funny. Last time I heard that, I laughed so hard I fell off my.
Okay, so yeah, this is sun. These are play like other people. This is trees and all these things are grown up here because no one is there. So like because of lockdown, very less people are there in hostel now, so they are not cleaning. Everything they'll clean later, I think, when everyone will come back. Our college is opening from 16th August, I think. Then I'll try to shoot some videos of hospital or our postings also if they'll resume. Yeah, I'll try to show you some clips of that. This is the place we have studied for in our first year. Like just before the exams, we'll sit there and we'll ask questions from each other. We'll teach each other and all these things. Yeah, this is Airtel dish. I think it's most probably of our TV room. I'll show you TV room. This is like shed of TV room. Yeah, I'll show you from down. Nothing is visible from here. Okay, let's go down. Let's go. So this is our TV room. Like there is no time limit in TV room. You can come anytime you want. I don't think now anyone is there because everyone is in match or they are in study room. So let's see. Yeah, fan and lights are on. I just did that for short.
Smart move.
Okay, it looks good when in light. We have small TV only, but yeah, it's enough for us. During IPL and all these events now, it's like fully occupied room. Let's go to ground. I said I'll show you the ground from down. Let's see. On the left side first we have NCC wing. Now we have a different wing, so it's like kind of dirty or it's not there, but yeah, it's there. And this is our ground. These are the peoples who like helped in building that stadium, our ground. So let's see. I don't know its size. I guess it's 500 square meter, but I'm not sure. And this is the place where we'll sit for matches. I have showed you in the clip. They were sitting all there and watching the match. Yeah. Let's see the basketball court. This is our basketball court. On the left side is the net where we'll practice cricket. Yeah. This is our badminton court. My friends are playing. Okay, so this is our reading room. This is the last place to visit in the hostel. Let's go inside. So basically we have 3 rooms. Not 3, actually 4. There is a one on right side, small one. I'll show you. This is the first room, and we have Wi-Fi also here. Like, we kept our, it's not college given, but yeah, Wi-Fi is there. Seniors kept. This is another room. This is I used to study in. This is the place where I used to study in for first year exam. And this is the last one, backside. We have AC and all these things are there. Now no one is there because it's night 2. Yeah, so this is basically the place where you can come and study. See, their Wi-Fi is there, so you can use it. And sometimes in night, like, no one is there to stop you. You can come here anytime and study. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that completes the tour of our hostel. So if you like this video, please share it to your friends. Then press the bell icon so that you can get regular updates about my upcoming video. Yeah, subscribe the channel.